Feed rate is optimal. Compression looks good.
Confirmed. Tablets are within spec.
Good. Monitor the coating stage.
Coating is active. Quality check passed. Starting the external sterilization now.
Disinfectant applied, wiping down the hoppers. Nozzles are clear, conveyor is sterile.
Confirmed. Ready for production.
Let's take a closer look at this painkiller sample. The crystalline structure is clearly visible now. This confirms the batch meets our specifications. The baseline data aligns with our projections.
Good. I'll add the stabilizer now. Stirring is active. Monitor for any heat spikes.
It's stable. What's the purity reading?
98.7%. Excellent.
Production line is stable, maintaining 98.5% efficiency. Pressure is spiking, initiating automated adjustment. Levels are normalizing, monitoring continues. Let's test this batch for uniformity.
Ready. Loading the sample now.
Results are in, uniformity confirmed. Excellent. Hoppers are loaded, starting the fill cycle. Tamping at 98% efficiency, capsules are sealing perfectly. Final check complete, ready for packaging. Initiating batch production now. Monitoring compression force, ejection looks good. Checking the control panel. All parameters are stable, production is optimal. Looks like a smooth run, no jams.
Agreed. Output is steady at target rate.
I'll grab a sample for the log. Let's check the dissolution profile.
Slide is prepped for the scope. Particles are uniform, within spec.
Good. Check the color reaction.
Adding the reagent now. Tablets are moving smoothly, no defects visible. Confirmed, proceeding to packaging. Packaging is complete, batch looks good.
Initiating the transfer. Watch the temperature.
Transfer complete, the pH is stabilizing.
Good. Check the screen for reaction metrics.
Confirmed, all within parameters.